Let's learn how to simplify algebraic expressions with brackets. So it's of the form like x plus 2 times x plus 5. As I said in the previous video, here whenever you put brackets in algebra, it is multiplication. So there are two methods to do this. I will explain both the methods, so you see which method you are comfortable with, and then you can do it. Okay, so the first method says, what the easy way to do the first method is, take the second term and write it two times, just a bit apart like this. Okay, and then take the first term of the first expression, that is like x, you put it over here, and then you take the second part plus 2, so take the sign also, then you put plus 2 here. Okay, now it takes the form of a normal bracket expansion. So what you will do is, like here, x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10, and then these are like terms and you simplify, that is like x square plus 7x plus 10. Okay, so this is the answer. I'll explain one more. X plus 3 times x plus 4. So what I do initially, I take the second one and write it two times a bit apart like this. Then I take the first one here and write it near the first bracket. And then I take the second part including the sign and I will write it like this. And then you simplify it. So it is like x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. And then you simplify the like terms, so that is x square plus 7x plus 12. So this method can be used for any expression, whether it is like two terms or three terms. So if I have something like x plus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, so here the second term has three elements like 1, 2 and 3. So in this case, the same method applies. So take the second one and write it two times x square plus 2x plus 3. And write it once more, x square plus 2x plus 3, and then take the first part here, so write it here, and then take the second part plus 2, so just put plus 2 here, and then you simplify. That will be like x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 2x square plus 4x plus 6. Now simplify the like terms. So it's like x cube plus 2x square plus 2x square is 4x square. Then 3x, 4x is 7x. Then plus 6. Okay, this is one method. The second method is called box method. It is being taught in many of the schools here. It's also pretty easy. So x plus 3 times x plus 2. So what you do is, since you have two terms here and two terms here, what I need to do is, like, I need to draw a box with two on this side and two on this side. Okay, and then what I will do is, I'll take the first one and I'll write it here, x plus 3. Okay, then I take the second expression and I will write it here, x plus 2. Okay, now what I do is, I multiply this and this and I will write it over here. Okay, so it will be x times x, which is x square. Then I multiply this and I will write it over here. So that is 3x. Then I will multiply this and I will write it over here. So that is 2x, and then I multiply the other two and I will write here 6. Okay, then I take all of this and add it together. So that is like x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, and then I simplify the like term. So it is x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, I'll show one more of the same thing, x plus 5 times x plus 2. So since I have two terms, so I draw a box with 2 on both the sides. So here I write x plus 5 and here I write x plus 2, and then I multiply this and write it over here. So that is x square. Then here it will become 5x, here it will become 2x, and this is 10. Then I write the answer as x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10, that's equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. Okay, I'll show you one example with 3 numbers. So x plus 2 times x square plus 3x plus 4. So now you should note that there are 2 terms here, there are 3 terms here. So our triangle should be, our rectangle should be 1, 2, 3. So here it is 2 terms, here you have 3 terms. Okay, now what you do is, I write x plus 2 here, and here I write x square plus 3x plus 4. Always remember to include the signs, otherwise it might get wrong. Okay, and then you multiply, so it becomes x cube plus 3x square, then 4x, then 2x square, then 6x plus 8x. 8. Then you add everything together, which is like x cube plus 3x square plus 2x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 8. Okay, that is equal to x cube plus 5x square plus 10x plus 8. This method can be used for any algebraic expression. So either you use the first method or the second method and try continuing the simplification.